Hello viewers, yes, this is Ranjana ma'am and you are watching, yes, mine as well as your channel. So some of you must have already got the good news and some of you haven't. So it is for those students or those subscribers who haven't got the good news as yet. Yeah, this video is for them. So you must have seen in the thumbnail. So there is no suspense. You must have seen it in the thumbnail about the reduced ISC syllabus. Yes, and the good news is that you all are going to have only the class 12 syllabus in your board exam. So for your boards, you need to prepare only the ones which are in the class 12 syllabus. Okay, so we'll go into details as to which are the ones which are there and which are the ones which have been eliminated, which has been cut from the main syllabus. But before we proceed to that, you know what is coming. If you have not subscribed to my channel up till now, please do. And don't forget to press the like button once you have seen the video. So yes, let's start. Yeah, regarding the Tempest, which are the acts that you have to study and which are the acts that have been left. So, Act 1 and Act 2 of the Tempest, they have been cut. They are not in your syllabus. So, you have to prepare only 3 acts, Act 3, Act 4, Act 5. So, 3 acts. So, yes, last year they had to study the whole of Tempest for y'all. What a reduction. So, only 3 acts are coming for y'all. But remember one thing, when the syllabus has been cut so drastically, the questions might be tough. That is why one of my subscribers suggested today in YouTube that, ma'am, since they have cut down the syllabus, yes, the backlash will come. Maybe they'll set very strict papers. So you need not be afraid if you study well. After this also, don't try to go for a lot of choice. So in the Tempest, the acts which you have to study, which is in your syllabus, they are Act 3, Act 4 and Act 5. Okay? Yes, now for the prose and the poems. The prose or the short stories, there are 10 in all, but out of that, the board has decided that you will have to study only 5. Only 5 of them. That means the class 2, and they are the class 12 syllabus, the ones which were in your class 12 only they are coming. So it is becoming more like CBSE. In CBSE also they don't have the 11 syllabus in the boards. It is only 12 and same for you all now. So the chapters which are in your class 12, only these will come. From these the questions will be set. And same for the poems. In the poems also there are 5 poems which are for the exams, for which you have to prepare from which. So 5 poems, 5 prose or short stories. So which are they? In the poems, the ones which you have to study, number 1, the Darkling Thrush. Number 1, the Darkling Thrush. Number 2, Birches. Number 3, Crossing the Bar. Number 4, Dover Beach. And number 5, We Are the Music Makers. So these are the 5. Last year, the students who appeared for their 12 boards, or rather they did not appear but they had no boards. But the syllabus which they had to prepare, they had 8 poems. That means 2 poems they did not need to prepare. Which are the ones? Birches and We Are the Music Makers. So these are the two that had been cut from the ISC syllabus regarding poems. But those both of them are coming for y'all. So in that case, these two should be very important for y'all. So again, that means number 1, number 2, number 5, number 8 and number 10. Don't worry, I'll be writing it down also. You'll see it in the screen beside me. Yeah, so don't worry as to if you are missing or not, because they will be there. I'll text them in this video. So these are the 5 you have to study in poems. And which are the ones you have to study or prepare for your boards? Which are the prose piece? Which are the short stories? So first one is To Build a Fire. Second one, The Story of an Hour. Third one, The Singing Lesson. Fourth one, The Sound Machine. And the fifth one, B. Wordsworth. Here also it's the same. These are the 5. Out of these, the 12 students who were supposed to sit for their boards this year, 2021, they did not have To Build a Fire. This was cut from the ISC syllabus and B. Wordsworth wasn't there. So they were expected to prepare from the remaining 8. It is another matter that they had no boards, but they had prepared. They had studied these 8 chapters and they were preparing for the boards. So y'all will have to prepare from 5, but these are the 2 which has been brought back in the ISC syllabus for the boards, which are the 2, To Build a Fire and B. Wordsworth. So they are supposed to be very important for y'all. So the numbers are number 4, number 5 and 8, 9, 10. So these are the 5 prose pieces, 5 poems and 3 acts. That makes up your class 12 syllabus, and these are the ones you have to prepare very well in order to do well in your boards. See, remember, you have to give your best. Why? Because since y'all are having only class 12 syllabus, it is very natural that the papers won't be so light. Yes, y'all are given this privilege. Why? Because y'all had no offline classes in 11 and so in 12. That is why y'all are being given this privilege of only 5 chapters in prose as well as poems and 2 acts eliminated from your The Tempest. Whereas the students last year, they were supposed to study everything from Tempest and 8 chapters each from the poems as well as the short stories. Why? Because at least they had 11. In 11 they had offline classes. It was only in 12 that they went online. So that is why they had to prepare both. Only a little bit of reduction, but for y'all, since both the years you are studying online, that is why maybe the board has been very thoughtful to reduce the syllabus and give you only the one which is of class 12, only those which are of class 12. So yes, prepare well. And again, I repeat before I end, if you have not subscribed to my channel up till now, please do. And don't forget to press the like button. And by the way, some of you have asked me for the videos regarding To Build a Fire and Birches. Yeah, they are missing. I hadn't put them up. Why? Because I was waiting for the boards to come up with the syllabus, whether they will be included in this syllabus or not. Last year they did not have these 2. So anyway, don't worry, I'll be soon putting these 2 up, Birches and To Build a Fire. Though To Build a Fire, honestly speaking, is a very boring chapter. Normally I don't find any literature chapters boring. Stories are my favorite, but I don't know, I didn't like it. Well, you all might like it, that's up to you, it's very personal. Anyway, so bye for the time being, have a nice day.